The medical devices business is a regulated industry, which means even the slightest error in a business process can lead to serious legal repercussions. Naturally, when selling medical equipment, you must make doubly sure that they meet the required industry standards. Both regulatory measures and streamlined customer journeys are equally important during the sales process. But is it possible to balance the two? Of course you can. All you need is a powerful and flexible CPQ solution like Cincom. Now, if you work in the medical devices manufacturing sector, you must have encountered the common challenges of the industry, like strict FDA standards with heavy penalties, very specific complicated requirements, significant financial losses due to malpricing, strict quality and safety checks, managing compliance, and demands quick response times. To counter these challenges, Cincom CPQ utilizes a unique approach which combines an intelligent configurator, smart pricing, and accurate quoting in one powerful platform. Cincom CPQ for medical devices flaunts a series of features that make selling medical equipment both safe and smooth. Take advantage of regulatory compliance support, accurate product customization, automated quotation accuracy, global supply chain management, enhanced sales and customer experience, real-time pricing and configuration, and mass customization automation. Selling medical equipment requires many considerations. But Cincom CPQ's advanced features allow you to ensure accuracy and enable quick updates to product configurations, pricing models, and compliance data. Support local regulatory requirements and ensure accurate, compliant quotes across global markets. Allow all departments to access the same data in real time and streamline communication to reduce approval times. Provide real-time access to accurate data and analytics, helping identify opportunities and optimize pricing strategies. Enable engineer-to-order visibility and capabilities to reduce production errors and delivery delays. Not yet convinced? Listen from one of our top customers how Cincom completely transformed their sales outlook. Helmer Scientific designs and manufactures specialized medical and laboratory equipment for sales and distribution to clinical and life science customers. They used Cincom CPQ to turn around their sales process, reducing quote generation time by 88%, from 30 to 40 minutes, down to less than 5 without needing to hire and train additional sales reps. Higher accuracy and transparency has reduced rework. Scalability is also enhanced. Here's what Sarah, of Helmer Scientific, had to say about working with Cincom. Want to take your medical equipment business to the next level, just like them? Then, contact our experts at Cincom and book a demo at www.cincom.com.